Cars are a very important means of transportation in people's lives today. At present, the number of cars in China has exceeded 400 million, and many Chinese cars start to change after 5 years of use, which is still very fast. In contrast, in Europe, the United States and Japan, the average service life of a car is 10 years, and even some families can drive a car for several generations. However, the average service life of a Chinese car is 5 years, only half of that in the US and Japan regions. So, what affects the lifespan of a car? Your vision is your world. Hi, everyone. Welcome to Auto Age. Now you are on the journey to look back at every change in the car, witness every surge in speed, and explore the mystery behind the car. Before we started today's video, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Okay, let's get started. Many people think that the fast replacement speed of Chinese cars is because the quality of Chinese cars is not as good as that of the United States and Japan. In fact, it is not true. China's automobile manufacturing level has improved by leaps and bounds, and various imported cars and joint venture cars are selling well in the Chinese market. Even if it is a Chinese-made car, there is no problem in normal use for 15 years, so it is not because of the difference in quality that the service life of the car is different. Cars are updated very quickly. In China, more than 43% of car owners have a car that is less than 3 years old, and even 17% of car owners have their first car for only 1 year old. In my opinion, there are 4 main reasons for the difference in the service life of cars in China and other countries. 1. The concept of using a car is different. Compared with consumers in other countries, Chinese consumers' car buying view is more emotional. In the minds of Chinese consumers, cars are not only a means of transportation, but also a reflection of their own strength and status, so as long as their economic conditions improve, they will definitely change cars. 2. The car is updated quickly. Chinese people always have a mentality of loving the new and disliking the old. No matter how good the car is, after 3 to 5 years, there are new models appearing with higher configuration and stronger sense of technology, etc., which stimulated the desire of many consumers to buy a car. In addition, China's current new energy purchase tax is completely exempted, and some policy incentives such as having the purchase tax of fuel vehicles, making Chinese people more willing to change to new cars. 3. The road traffic environment in China is different. The traffic environment in China is very complex, and the traffic pressure is much greater than that in foreign countries. In such a traffic jam environment, cars are often driven at low speed and idling speed, so the aging and wear of parts and components are more serious, the quality of the car is reduced, and the driving experience is degraded. Therefore, in order to pursue a better driving experience, people will also choose to replace a new car. 4. The car management system is different. China's earliest car scrapping system was a 15-year compulsory scrapping system, and now it is 600,000 kilometers of guided scrapping. In this process, emission testing is a headache for many car owners. If the emission standard is not met, the car cannot be used normally, and some car owners simply change to a new car. In some other countries, some cars with a long service life are common, and the fundamental reason is that the management system of cars is different. In general, the average service life of Chinese cars is only 5 years, not because of poor quality, but the result of the above 4 factors. If the car owner has no special needs and buys a car just for transportation, then scientific driving and active maintenance can correspondingly reduce the failure rate, prolong the life of the car, and allow the car to give full play to its due value. What do you think about it? Comments are welcome. Okay, that's all for today. Please put your comments below, and share your insightful ideas with other people. Do you want to learn about more auto stories? Please keep following our channel and like our videos. Thank you so much for your continuous support. Your precious time with us is highly appreciated. See you.